Each dog's nose print is unique, like a person's fingerprint. Rabbit! Rabbits can live for between 5 to 10 years. Crocodile! A baby crocodile is called a hatchling. Hagfish is the only marine animal to have a skull but no spine. Pteranodon! Pteranodons weren't dinosaurs, but were actually flying reptiles. Cat! A house cat's DNA is 95.6% tiger. Tigers are nocturnal, which means they sleep during the day and come out at night. Narwhal! Narwhal tusks are actually teeth. Giraffe! Giraffes can run at up to 60 kilometers per hour. Octopus! The largest octopus species is the giant Pacific octopus. Bear! The smallest species of bear is the sun bear. Horse! Horses have around 205 bones in their skeletons. Rabbit! The largest breed of rabbit is the Flemish giant rabbit. Parasaurolophus! The name Parasaurolophus means beside crested lizard. Chick? Hens teach sounds to their chicks while they're still in their eggs. Dog! The smallest breed of dog is the Chihuahua. Adult pigs can run at speeds of up to 11 miles an hour. Spinosaurus! The Spinosaurus weighed around 9.9 tons. Seal! The largest species of seal is the southern elephant seal. Hippopotamus! Hippos are the second largest land animal after elephants. Triceratops! Triceratops were around 9 meters long. Duckling siblings communicate with each other before hatching. sloths are around 3 times stronger than humans. Tyrannosaurus Rex! The T-Rex roamed the planet 65 million years ago! Goat! Goats use sneezes to warn each other of danger! Pufferfish! The largest species of pufferfish can grow to a length of 67 centimeters. Tiger! A group of tigers, such as a mother and her cubs, is called an ambush. Monkey! The smallest type of monkey is the pygmy marmoset. Shark! A shark's skin feels similar to sandpaper. Cat! Cats can see up to 120 feet away. Koalas are marsupials, which means they have a pouch where they keep their young babies. Sheep! There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep. Starfish! Starfish have an eye spot at the end of each arm. Wild elephants live for between 50 to 60 years. Mouse! Mice can fit through a hole as small as a pencil. Rhinoceros! Rhino's closest living relatives are tapirs, horses, and zebras. Hedgehog! Hedgehogs have over 5,000 spikes. Polar bear! Polar bears are the largest species of bear. Raccoon! There are 7 different species of raccoon. Stegosaurus! The spikes at the end of a stegosaurus's tail is called a thagomizer. Chipmunks sleep for around 15 hours a day. Turtle! Sea turtles can lay up to 100 eggs at a time. Panda! Pandas poop more than 100 times a day.